Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to give someone administrator access on your page on Facebook. I saw a lot of videos where people were showing you how to do this, but I found a way that always works. Alright, make sure first of all that you're logged in to your page. After that, tap right in the bottom on menu. Then after that, tap on professional dashboard. And then from there scroll down to page access. From there we want to give people Facebook access, so tap on add new from there and then tap on next. Alright, I'm just showing you guys how to do this, so I'm just testing it. So I will give someone random access to this page. Now Sam Klein may be funny. Then turn on the allow this person to also have control or full control and then tap on give access. Just fill in your Facebook password just right here. Tap on confirm. And now we just give this person full access of our page on Facebook. Alright, this is how it works. And if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.